In our last video, we created two functions. Yeah, in other program language like Java, we called it methods. But here, we use functions. So move left, we can move the snake to the left by one step. And move up, we'll move the snake up by one step. Now it works. The algorithm works, but there are some duplication of the code here. You see this part is exact, this part, right? The body part is exactly same as this one. We don't want duplication in coding. So how can we abstract out the common code into a new function? So the only difference is the head, the new snake head. So let's create a function like this one. Update snake, okay? Or yeah, update snake. So we can provide a new head. Then we can return the updated snake. Let's do it. So new head. So it's a snake. The data type is snake cell. So let's return a snake. The snake is an array of snake cell. So now we can copy this part to here. Highlight it, Control I to auto format. So now we'll use snake new head to replace this one, right? New head. Yeah. So new head. Oh, we needed to create a new snake here. New snake, an empty one, create a new, we append a new head. No, that's wrong. It's stupid. We just need this, right? It's the same as the previous code. New head. What missing? It doesn't make sense. Command B to update. Content. Let's try it again. New snake. Dot append new element. Okay. So new head. No, new head. Yeah. Now we. Yeah. So at the end we return the new snake. Does it work? Command. Yeah. It works. It compiles at least. So with that, update snake. So this is the new head, right? And this is the new head, right? The only difference between the two moving functions, right, is this one. So let's copy that and let's try to call our new function. Update snake. Yes, new head. Paste. That's it. Oh, because this guy returns the new snake. So we'll update the original snake with the new snake. So we can remove that. Move left. Let's test it here. So our unit test functions are our best friends. Let's test this one to make sure it still works. Let's check here. Move left. Yes, it works. Okay. Since we are already here, this is not ideal if we have to check the movement using our human eyes. There's a much better way to check it automatically. So we'll check the new head and the new tail. Okay, so we'll use XCTAssert. So before the move, we'll use XCTAssert. Assert what? Assert equal. So let's make sure there this location in this place is empty. Or we can check the head is here. Okay. So the column is 2, right? So it's bot.snake. That's the head dot column. And make a copy of that. What about the row? Sorry for the noise. So this is 1. After the movement, after we move, let's just use this one, okay? So let's test it. Of course it will fail because yeah, the new place, the new head will be, and we can click here to check. You see, XCTAssertEqual fail. 2 is not equal to 1. Cool. So because the new head is at 1, 1 here, you see, 1 1. Now let's test it again, and it will pass. Yeah, test succeeded. Cool. So we can remove this old way to check. Now the XCTAssert will guarantee, right, the logic is correct. And we can add more like XCTAssert if we like, but to save some time we'll stop here. We'll do the same thing. No, just leave there. So here is an example. You can update the other unit test using XCTAssert. Very important. There are other XCTAssert functions like XCTAssert true, false, nil, something like that. We'll introduce all of them later in the future videos. So now we already tested that, and let's try this one. Yeah, this is the old code. So move up. Yeah, here it looks like that. So hopefully, if we updated this method using our new function call, right? Snake. Let's put it here. So we'll copy the new snake head here. New head, yeah. Replace that with that. Remove that. Wow. Now yeah. Let's test first before I make the conclusion. Move up. Yes, it works. It works. So we successfully refactored the code, right? We pour out all the common logic and make this code move left and move up much more elegant. Now it's easy to add the other two directions. So move left, move up, move right, right? Move right. So this will be +1. Oh, column +1, and move down. This will be, yeah, row +1. It's reasonable. Now we can test it in our UI GUI. So draw board, snake board, no, board view. That's tested here. So let's see, what about move up and right? Okay, let's do that. Move up, then right. Let's see. Right. Okay. And yeah, let's double check the original one, like without moving anything. Run it. Yeah, this is the original location. So move up and right, right? It will be, the head will be here. Okay, let's see. Yes, it works. So we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cells. And if we move right again, one more time. Oh, no. So make a copy of this one here. So the tail will be here and the head will be here. Let's see. Nice. So in our next video, we'll try to add buttons here. We'll add 4 buttons in the bottom of the screen. See you next time.